Okay, so today we are going to show you the Skywalk. It is an amazing system that was developed in order to connect Union Station in downtown Toronto to CN Tower and Rogers Centre. It's a path that was developed which is all covered so that you don't have to go out, and this was primarily developed so that the parking issues in the downtown could be resolved. So here we are at the Skywalk. Let us take you around. Skywalk. It was built by the Canadian National Railways.
This Skywalk connects Union Station to all these places. Very clean and beautiful in itself.
This is the UP Union, where you can get trains directly to the Pearson Airport from Union Station. It's called Union Pearson Express, UP. Okay, so there you see Delta Hotel Convention Center, Rogers Centre, CN Tower, and Ripley's Aquarium. Wow, this is not heated, so I better zip up my jacket.
This is the way to Delta Hotel.
And this is the way for Metro Toronto Convention Center. The building is closed right now, by the way. So the next stops are Ripley's, CN, and Rogers.
This place is not heated, but this is better to walk inside instead of outside.
Yeah, of course, any day. Okay, so this Skywalk is 160 meters long. It was built in 1989, but there are parts of it which were built in 1929 and 1931. Crazy. And by the way, if you're wondering, it's completely free. You just need to get out of the Union Station. You want to go to CN Tower, Rogers Center, Ripley's, downtown. You just walk from here, get outside, and you're there. No parking hassles at all. Alright, let me know how did it go. And here we are. There is the CN Tower. Alright, I hope you liked it. It's super useful. I would again say don't bring your cars in the downtown because it's very hectic to find parking. And this is super easy. You just have to get out of the trains and you're here. No hassles at all. Alright, bye bye.